Hello HSU! Follow along here as we go over the Keep Teaching, Collecting Assignments, and Delivering Tests workshop in Canvas. This session will include an overview of the tools built into Canvas to help you assess student learning. We will review tools such as assignments, quizzes, Canvas Rubrics, the Canvas Speed Grader, and Canvas Analytics. Also, your support resources, ways for you to get help easily. In this session, you will have an opportunity to familiarize yourself and make choices among the various Canvas assessment features and functionalities. By the end of this session, you will be able to create assignments and rubrics in Canvas, utilize the Speed Grader and feedback features, as well as locate Canvas self-service resources. Keep in mind, HSU has specific resources, support for you on HSU campus websites. For example, the Keep Teaching site, the Keep Learning site, the CTL Canvas site, Collecting Assignments and Delivering Tests in Canvas tutorials, and the Canvas guides. The Keep Teaching site is geared towards instructors and offers resources, tutorials, and more. The Keep Learning site is geared towards students and offers ways they can take care of their health, get tech help, and take care of their education. You will also find step-by-step tutorials on collecting assignments and delivering tests in Canvas on the AT guides. Here you will learn more about creating assignments, quizzes, rubrics, using the Speed Grader, and Canvas Analytics. In this session on collecting assignments and delivering tests in Canvas, we'll look at the variety of ways you can adapt your in-class assessments to an online format. The assignment tool in Canvas allows students to submit work via document, video, audio, text, or URL. When you go to create your assignment in Canvas, you will have several options. First, if you would like to weight your assignments, you can create assignment groups. Once you've created your assignment groups, you can assign weight values to each group. When you go to create your Canvas assignment, you will have several options. You will be able to choose the point value, the assignment group, how the grade will be displayed, the submission type. In this case, we are choosing online to allow students to upload files. If you'd like to use the plagiarism review, you can select Turn It In. You can also create a group assignment or require peer reviews. The Canvas quiz tool will allow you to create and administer online quizzes and surveys. You can also use quizzes to conduct and moderate exams and assessments, both graded. When you go to create your quiz in Canvas, you will have many options. You can select whether it's a graded quiz, a practice quiz, graded survey, or ungraded survey. Other options include shuffling answers, setting a time limit, and allowing multiple attempts. Canvas offers many types of questions, including formula and simple formula question options for requiring students to complete mathematical calculations. In addition, you can create question banks or import quizzes from your favorite publisher. You can also find questions that you've already developed in your Canvas account. Rubrics are used to help students understand expectations for an assignment and how their submissions will be graded. Outcomes can be aligned with the rubric for additional assessment and measurable performance. There are several ways to create rubrics in Canvas. You can create a rubric directly in an assignment, or you can create a rubric via the outcomes. Canvas rubrics can be added to assignments, discussions, and quizzes, and integrates with the Canvas Speed Grader for efficient grading. The Canvas Speed Grader makes it easy to evaluate individual and group assignments quickly. The Speed Grader allows you to filter through student submissions. If you have attached a rubric to a Canvas assessment tool, you can populate the rubric for ease of grading. You can submit comments for each rubric item, or you can submit overall comments below. Feedback can be provided by text, audio or video, or my favorite, the Talk to Text feature. The Canvas inbox allows you to find submission comments from your students using the filter. Choose Submission Comments from the drop-down menu to view only those comments related to a submission. With the Canvas Analytics feature, you can view how students are progressing in your course. You can also view student analytics after your course has ended. To view analytics in your course, select the New Analytics link in the Course Navigation menu. Your options include viewing weekly online activity or course grade activity. You can select individual students to view their progress. You also have the option to view data as tables or graphs. Another feature in Canvas Analytics is the ability to message students who may have fallen behind, are missing assignments, or have late assignments. The messaging feature provides another point of communication between instructor and student. Do you have questions or need help? Feel free to reach out to us. You have support resources such as the Keep Teaching website, the Collecting Assignments and Delivering Tests in Canvas tutorials, and you can contact us directly at extension 4461 or email ctl@humboldt.edu. You also have the option to contact the HSU Help Desk at extension 4357 or help@humboldt.edu.